Alright guys, finally a gap in the rain. Today what I've done, I had loads of plans where I wanted to go and things today, but the weather is absolutely abysmal today. So the only place I could think of is my old skate park I used to come to. I've not been here for a while. I got fenced off the last time I was here, but I've managed to get in. Nothing's really changed, but still a pretty good bash spot. So if you remember the last time I had the KRATON 8S out, I had a crash and I clean snapped the hinge pins and here and at the top the bolt as well. So I fixed the car, homemade part. So I was looking on eBay at the price of the hinge pins and it was really disgusting. For a little 3-inch long bit of metal, 4-inch whatever it is by about 6mm, they wanted £20 for a pair of UK money, and to me that's an absolute joke. And I don't mind spending money on my RCs at all. I mean, it's my hobby, I want the best stuff, but the fact the way they snapped as well, why would I want to buy the same thing again? So I actually repaired it, kind of homemade repair. I might start doing more videos on this kind of thing. But what I done is I had an old screwdriver. It was a really high quality screwdriver, and I looked at the shaft, and the shaft was the same diameter as the pin that went through the hinge pin. So what I done is I put up a picture on the camera off my phone. I think I've got them stored there, so when I put this video up I'll upload it. But I basically got my grinder, I cut the screwdriver down and made the hinge pins out of the screwdriver shaft, which turned out to be a lot stronger than the standard ones. They feel about 3-4 times as thick, and there's no way they're going to break ever again. If they do next time, it'll definitely be the arm that breaks. So I've done both sides. I've also replaced the front bearings on the front diff just because of the impact. One of them, it wasn't too bad, but it was just sort of a little bit of movement I didn't like. And the only bit I did buy, which only cost me £8, was, if you remember, I said I noticed a crack in my front bumper. So the KRATON's got a new front bumper on it now. So the gist of this is, it's a horrible day. Obviously this is good hard solid ground for testing, so I've done some quite big jumps with the KRATON, some really hard driving, and I'll put it all together in a little sort of video format for you guys to watch. But yeah, homemade repairs sometimes just as good as, if not better than, some of the parts you buy. So going out and buying parts with part numbers, not always the best thing to do in my opinion. Sometimes make your own parts, and yeah, I think you're going to have a lot less bother. And I think this video should prove it with some of the height and some of the landings this KRATON's taken in this area. So hope you enjoy it. If you do, please like, leave thumbs up, subscribe, whatever, all that kind of stuff. I'd really appreciate that. Like I say, my goal this year is to try and get up to 2,000 subscribers, so the more the merrier. It only takes you guys a second, and I'd appreciate it if new watchers just click that button for me. It'd be very good. But other than that, I hope you're all having a great time, good weekend with your RCs or just whatever you're doing, and we'll be back with more videos soon. But yeah, the KRATON 8S on these Proline MX43 Pro Lock Badlands, it's just the perfect combo. That and the 21 tooth pinion, I'm loving this car right now. So I'll stop talking, I'll put the video on, and I'll catch you guys very soon with something else. Paul out, see you later.